An instructional video on how to make the armor mask. This mask has a cotton on one side, a non-woven fabric on the other side, 4 elastic straps, and a Velcro pocket. So the way this is made is we will give you 2 pieces of material, the Velcro pieces, and 4 elastics. The first thing you're going to do is take this piece of material and fold it in half, and it'll look like this. And then you're going to sew a line that's this top corner comes over to the middle, follows down the middle, and ends up 1 inch from this corner. I've made myself a template, but you don't need a template. It just goes on down like that. The second step you're going to do, you're going to take each of these and you're going to lay them out flat, and you're going to hem down the bottom, and while you're hemming, you're going to put these little pieces of Velcro in place. The next step is you're going to fold it over like that, and inside you're going to have your elastic, okay, like this. It'll be to the inside because when you turn it inside out, they'll be on the outside. So those are like that. And then you're going to start here with your elastic. Here's your elastic inside. You're going to sew 3 sides, here, 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 and down to here. And then the mask is finished. All you got to do is flip it inside out, and it's going to end up looking like this.